Okay, 19.6, buying intangible assets and calculating amortization expense. We have two learning objectives. You need to record the buying of an intangible asset, and you need to be able to calculate and record amortization expense. So first of all, an intangible asset is an asset that does not have physical substance. So things like patents, copyrights, trademarks, or something similar to that, it's not something physical that you can hold on to, but it is an asset. It's something of value. The value of an intangible asset, such as a patent, comes from the rights it gives to the patent holder, not from the piece of paper that insures those rights. So on January 2nd, it says that we paid cash for a patent, $45,000, check number 628. So we are going to debit patent for $45,000, and then they have this wrong here. This should actually be cash. We're going to credit cash for $45,000. Okay, so we're going to go into our cash payment. Since we are paying cash, we are going to debit our patent, and we are going to credit our cash. Okay, so amortization is the spreading of the cost of an intangible asset over its useful life. It's similar to depreciation, but depreciation only applies to those physical assets. So when we're looking at our intangible assets, we're going to deal with amortization. They have a legal life, such as a patent. So a patent, even though it's intangible, there is a legal life for it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the original cost minus the estimated salvage value, and that's going to give us our estimated total amortization expense. So just like we had done with depreciation. So 45,000, our estimated salvage value is 0. We're just going to simply get 45,000. Then we're going to take that and we're going to divide it by its estimated useful life. That will give us our annual amortization expense. So 45,000, our estimated useful life is 10 years. So that means it's going to have an annual amortization expense of 4,500. So to record that, we're going to debit our amortization expense, and we are going to credit our patent. Okay, now this would be an adjusting entry. So we're going to put that into our general journal. We're going to debit and credit. Okay, number 1, which account is debited when recording amortization on a patent? Amortization expense would be debited. Patent would be credited. Which I just answered number 2. Which account is credited when recording amortization on a patent? Like I just said, that would be patent. You can now watch the 19.6 work together video.